Every fighter trains punches, combos, and conditioning, but the ones who win consistently, they win up here, tap temple. It's their tactical mindset, the ability to outthink, outread, and outadapt opponents every single round. Stay till the end, because principle number 10 is game-changing, and I guarantee almost nobody at your gym is practicing it the right way. What tactical mindset means. Tactical mindset isn't just skill, it's about reading patterns, predicting moves, making decisions under pressure, switching plans when the fight changes. When I first started sparring, I used to just throw punches and hope I landed more. Now, I spend the first 30 seconds scanning their stance, their eye line, how they breathe. That one shift changed how I fight. The 10 core principles, let's break them down quickly. Observe first, don't rush, watch, probe slowly, low-risk feints, single jabs, control distance, make the ring big or small, attack patterns, not people, disrupt rhythm, counters, wild offense, timing beats chaos, manage energy, pace each round, create angles, never stay in front, plan plus, 2 backups, don't rely on improvising, record and review, watch tape like it's homework, train mindset, breathing, routines, confidence. When I was newer, I'd gas out by round 2 because I tried to win with volume. Once I learned principle 6, energy management, I started saving big shots for the right exchanges. It instantly gave me more control. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe, because I break down not just the physical side of boxing, but the mental chess game that most fighters ignore. And trust me, applying even 2 of these principles will make you way harder to beat. The decision loop. Here's the fast 3-step loop you can use mid-fight. Scan, guard, wait, breathing, probe, feint or jab, force a reaction, act, punish the predictable reply. Repeat this every exchange. I started drilling this in sparring, and suddenly, fights slowed down for me. What felt chaotic before became readable. Drills to build fight. IQ do these 3 times a week. Pattern spotting. Watch 2 rounds of a fight. Note habits. Write 3 counters. Controlled sparring. Round 1 only jabs, feints. Round 2 only counters. If then mitt drills, partner throws jab, you counter cross, feint, you slip and body. I used to just shadow box for cardio. Once I started scenario shadow boxing, imagining I'm fighting a taller jabber, then a pressure fighter, I felt prepared for way more styles. Mental routine and fight. Checklist, pre-fight routine. Min visualization. Walk in, jab plan, reaction plan, breathing. Between rounds, replay quickly. What worked, what failed, 1 adjustment, then 4 deep breaths. Here's the short mental checklist to carry. See, probe, punish. 1 plan per round, 2 backups overall. Record, review, repeat, breathe, adjust, win. Most fighters lose not because they're weaker or slower, but because they never trained their tactical brain. So here's my challenge to you. Next sparring session, forget about winning. Focus on just scanning and probing for the first round. Build the habit, stay disciplined, build your fight IQ, and you'll start seeing openings before your opponent even throws. Drop a comment if you want me to cover the top drills to read opponents faster, and I'll make that next.